Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to select all the text on Microsoft Word. Today I'll show you three methods that you can use to select all on Word. At first, just open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open any document. Now for the first method, you have to use keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus A from your keyboard and that's it. You can see your all the text has been selected successfully. Now for the second method, you can use mouse. Just put the cursor at the first and then press and hold your left key and then select your all the text. Just move your mouse and that's it. You can see it's selected again. Now for the third method, you can use a function. Just click on home tab and after that at the right corner you can find select option. Just click on select and then click on select all and that's it. You can see in my document all the text has been selected successfully, and that is how you can select all the text on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.